Welcome to our tutorial on understanding open enrollment in the Chandler Unified School District, or CUSD. Let's break down this process to help you navigate it with ease. Open enrollment allows Arizona students to attend public schools outside their designated school boundaries. Not sure of your school boundaries? Visit CUSD80.com/boundaries for details. For complete open enrollment information, head to CUSD80.com/open enrollment. There are two application processes, one for elementary schools and one for secondary schools. Here are some key points to keep in mind. All incoming Elite Performance Academy students, grades 3 through 8, use the elementary application. Incoming Anderson Junior High School and Basha Accelerated Middle School 6th grade students use the secondary application. For ACP Middle School enrollment information, visit the specific ACP page linked on our website. If your child is entering grades 1 through 8 and is not currently attending a CUSD school, ensure you have the following required documents ready: attendance report, report card, discipline report, or a signed statement from the school if no discipline record exists. If applicable, an IEP or individualized education plan, 504 accommodation plan, or gifted test scores. Each document must be titled with your child's first and last name along with the file name. Remember, parents or guardians are responsible for submitting these documents, as CUSD does not request student records for open enrollment applications. Documents are not required at the start of the school year for entering kindergarten students. For secondary students, applications must include grades or transcripts required for grades 9 through 12 new to CUSD, attendance and discipline reports, if applicable, current IEP or individualized education plan, or 504 accommodation plan. Submit your application via email to the school's registrar or Office of Secondary Education. Contact information and submission instructions are available on the CUSD website. Important reminders: students on open enrollment are expected to remain at the requested school for the entire year. Providing false information will result in denial or admission will be revoked. Transportation is not provided for open enrollment students. If you're applying for grades 9 through 12, discuss athletic eligibility with the school's athletic director before transferring. For special situations like re-enrollment or transfer within the district, please contact your school's front office. Once your open enrollment application is approved, it's time to register your student for school. Watch our registration video tutorial for step-by-step instructions for completing the process. If you have any questions regarding open enrollment, registration, or transferring, please contact your school's front office. Their contact information is available on the CUSD website. Thank you for choosing Chandler Unified School District. We're excited to welcome your student.